I received a call from Unified Command, and they said we will not need to stand up a shelter.
We're in the Fairfax County Emergency Operations Center. Every year we do a countywide exercise. So today we're doing an exercise with all of our partners. We use this as a preparation for real-world events.
97 freight cars total, each carrying ethanol. Each one had 30,000 gallons of ethanol.
Okay, just make sure that it gets in here.
We're simulating a train derailment with a hazardous material spill and evacuation from an area.
The Training and Exercise Division has been working over the past year to put together this exercise. So we've completed the first 3 days, and today is the last day, which is the functional EOC exercise. We put together a plan.
And this is how big it is. Then we can let planning know so GIS can add it in the map.
We update it, we want to train on it, and then exercise it. And so from here, we'll kind of get some strengths and areas for improvement on our plans. So the next step will be going back and updating these plans from what we learned in today's exercise.
Yes. The biggest takeaway today here is to see all the moving parts of an incident response, from the notifications to the assembly of the teams, to the response time, the messaging that goes out, whether it be in the public or internal, and just how many people it takes to really respond to an incident and get to a point of recovery for an incident.
Hopefully they'll get a better understanding of how the Emergency Operations Center works in the county. They'll feel more comfortable in their roles within their EOC section.
People of Fairfax County rely upon the county for these types of services.
Work on that, and 5 of those cars of the 8 passenger cars derailed.
We use this as both a training opportunity, but also a learning opportunity. So what we'll do from today is we'll take all the information, we'll put together what's called an after action report, and from that we'll identify recommendations to improve our response over time. You can go to our website, which is under Fairfax County Government. You can search emergency management. We have information there. We also have Ready Fairfax, which is our website, and we have a lot of information there about personal preparedness. And then we also have our Community Emergency Response Guide, which will identify what people can do before, during, and after any type of natural or man-made event.